Hazrat Abdullah bin Umar radiyallahu anhu says, the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam dispatched Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu towards Banu Jazima. So he invited them to Islam, but they could not say it well that they had embraced Islam, but they said, we have forsaken our religion. Thereupon Hazrat Khalid bin Walid started killing them and holding the others captive, and entrusted every one of us with one captive. One day Hazrat Khalid radiyallahu anhu passed orders that every one of us should kill his captive. I replied, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, neither I nor will any of my companion finish his captive until we reach the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. So we mentioned it to him sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Thereupon the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam raised his hands and said twice, O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I have nothing to do with what Khalid has done. Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 4339.